Hi Scott, quick video here, quick video update for you. So I'm just going to blast right over to the test site. In order to actually even have a good idea, a good plan moving forward, I wanted to just take your content, put it into one of the coded templates just to sort of see what it would look like, and also run it through the Google mobility checker just to see. My first option 2, not the best one either, simply because the existing tables that I was just going to apply the template over. Quick story, couple of iterations just to see what worked best. The tables are fine, they pass the mobility check. The images don't though. What I mean by that is when we have images like this size right here, the large images, which your site's actually mostly made up of those, when those are inside of tables, they don't actually scale properly, or nicely I should say. And when I mean scale, let's take our web browser here and let's just squish it down. Please ignore any of the placeholder stuff on the left and the right. I'm just testing the center content right now. All right, watch the images down here. See how they resize? Well, your current website doesn't do that, and this is really the key to having a mobile friendly site. We want to make sure the images scale properly so a mobile user will see them and it won't be being pushed off to the right side of the page. In order to make this happen, basically what I have to do is go through and I do need to remove the tables, and I do need to remove the width for the images so that they will automatically scale, because when we're using what's called responsive web design, we're using the style sheets, the back end of the template. We've put some CSS and some programming in there to tell the pictures to automatically scale on different devices or resize. When an image has a width applied to it, like in the actual code of the page, it doesn't do that, because that overrides any programming that we have. So here's an example of something. I've just gone and removed that, and there we go. Now the image is resized. Now typically in our full content transfer, what we simply do is we take the HTML of the page, we run it through a program called HTML Cleaner. We tell it to get rid of any height, any width tags, any table tags, anything that's going to hinder the display for a mobile device. We tell it to get rid of that, and then whatever's left over, we take that code or the HTML, we pop it back into the template page, and then it will pick up the styles of the template. So I found another option that's going to be working. I played around with it. Instead of taking each page individually and running it through the HTML Cleaner, I'm going through each page and I'm looking for blocks of code and what we call blockers, things that would prevent the site from displaying on mobile, and I'm just having the cleaner remove it the other way. It's one of those time-consuming things though, because I have to go through each page and just make sure everything looks good. But it seems to work quite efficiently. So yeah, if you want to go with that route, I'll do the job. $600. It's more than fair, considering I didn't plan very well on this one for sure. So you know, and I definitely appreciate you're upping the offer there voluntarily. That's very thoughtful of you and generous, and I appreciate that. And yeah, probably looking at it, it would be, I wouldn't, if mobile and marketing is your thing, if that's the most important aspect, then I'd say definitely that's the way to go. Could we just apply the template over? Yeah, it's possible. And would it work? Yes. Would it work well? Not as well as if we didn't clean out the old stuff. So yeah, it's going to boil down to that. So anyways, I just thought I'd give you a quick video here, get you caught up, and hope you're having a good time in China.